So students, this video is based on operating system, and this video is for class 9 and 10 students, because class 9 students are also going to study operating system and class 10 students are also having the chapter operating system. So this is the basic video. So be ready with your notebook, computer notebook, and write down all the important points that I'll be providing here. So you have to note down all the important points in your computer. So let's start our classes. Now, operating system. Operating system is responsible for management and coordination of all activities that is happening inside our computer. So whatever activities is going on, whether it is printing, whether the sound is being played or music is being played, you are watching the videos, you are doing some programming, whatever work is being done is managed, coordinated by the operating system. Understanding operating system. So let us understand operating system. Computer, being a machine, cannot do anything of its own. It requires instructions on how to perform each and every task. Now, computer is a machine. A machine doesn't understand anything of its own. It can't do anything of its own. Now, you might be thinking that computer is doing some automations work automatically. They are programmed for that. They are programmed for that. If the device or if the machine is doing something automatically, that means it is being programmed for that. Now, the instruction given to the computer is further to be converted in a language which a machine understands. Now, it will function according to the instruction given to it, and now this instruction given to the computer or the machine or the computer must be understood by the computer. Our language is different. We understand a very complex type of language. We understand sound, we understand sight. So we are bit advanced. Computer is not so advanced. It understands only a single language, and that is digital language. That is the language of zeros and ones. You will understand only zeros and ones. So these things has to be converted before it reaches the processor. So who converts all this? Our high level language to machine language, how it is converted? The operating system is responsible for converting the instruction given by us to the machine language. Now let us understand the next one. An operating system is a collection of programs that manages and controls the hardware and the software of a computer. Now, an operating system is a collection of programs. So operating system is not a single program, but a collection of programs that manages, controls the hardware and software of a computer. Now, operating system is a collection of programs that manages, controls even your hardware and your software. It controls the hardware and the software both. Now, operating system acts as the bridge between the user and a computer system. It actually provides an interface through which a user can interact with and also use the computer hardware. And now, operating system acts a bridge. It fulfills the gap between the user and the computer system. It is acting as a middleman who translate whatever instruction we are giving so that the computer will understand, and again at the same time it is translating all the result that the processor is producing and it is giving back to us. It also helps to control our hardware, control our software, provide an interface for the user to work on. The computer hardware is of no use if we do not install essential software. So hardware is of no use until and unless an appropriate software is there for it. Now, let's see the next slide. What does it say? Function of operating system. Basically, there are many functions of operating systems, but few I am listing here. process management. Whatever processing is going on is managed by the operating system. Here, processing means whatever the computer is working is managed by the operating system. Memory management. Memory management is also managed by the operating system. How much RAM is free, where you have stored your file, what is the name of the file, if you have given password to your file, all these things is managed by the operating system. What instruction is coming first, which work is to be given priority, all these things are managed by the operating system. That's why it is called memory management. Another is file management. All your file that is being stored in your computer, the files belonging to the operating system and your personal files based on applications, all these things are managed by the operating system. The security of your system. The next point is your security. Now the security of your system is managed by the operating system. Security is also managed by the operating system. After that, input, output or device management. Whatever device you are adding in your computers or whatever devices are there in your computer are also managed, recognized by the processor with the help of operating system. And finally, it provides user interface. It provides user interface. So these are the function of the operating system, like processor management, memory management, file management, security of your system, input or output or device management, user interface, and many more are there. But just 5 or 6 will do for your exam. Now coming to the next point, there is types of operating system. So there are various types of operating system, like single user operating system. Single user operating system means that operating system will support one user at a time, or we can say one application at a time. Example of single user operating system is DOS, disk operating system. There you are not allowed to use 2 programs. After there is graphical user operating system. Whatever operating system we are using right now are known as graphical user interface operating system. We call it GUI operating system. Under GUI operating system, you will get the mouse, so you don't have to remember all the commands. Just think, in single user operating system, all the commands has to be kept in mind, has to be memorized. After that comes multi-user operating system, multitasking operating system, and multi-threading operating system. So these are the different types of operating systems. You will get some other types of operating systems also, like real-time operating system and mobile operating systems. So you don't have to go that much deep. These are the different types of operating system. 2 or 3 points has to be kept in mind, right? Then coming to the next point, mobile operating system. This section is important because nowadays we are most probably using mobile devices. So a question may come in your board exam from this point, from here. Now, mobile operating system is also known as mobile OS. It is particularly designed to operate smartphone, PDA, PDS, tablets, and mobile devices. So mobile operating system are also known as mobile operating system, and they are particularly designed to run your smartphone, your PDS, your tablets, and the small mobile devices also. Basic mobile devices also have got an operating system to work, to function. Your smartphone, you call it Android or iOS, then BlackBerry, Symbian, all these are operating system that is designed for a mobile device, smartphone. So the operating system that is there for your smartphone may not work with your system, and the MS Office or whatever software that is designed for your desktop will not run in your mobile, in your smartphone. They are different platforms. So various kinds of mobile operating systems are RIM, that is for BlackBerry; Android, that is developed by Google; iOS, that is being developed by Apple. Then Mac OS. Mac OS is also an operating system that is developed by Apple for desktop and laptop, whereas iOS is an operating system that is developed for Apple mobile. So this was all about the classes. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you all of you.